clear water. It's a little rainy today, but we're looking at enjoying some beach. Look at the, man, my face is jacked, but this area is so pretty. It's kind of rainy, but that it will turn around. We have family members already out here at the beach. So, man, guys, so beautiful. Oh, they're already right there.
Look at the water. I'm not getting in that. They're already there.
Oh yeah, they said they brought the rain. That's what Ika said. This cute little turtle. I've been to Florida. I've been to Florida like once, but not like this. Fixed to be here for a while. Looks like my other sister and her family are just getting here too. There's Odie, Kumar, Lucio. Say hi, guys. Vegan, hi. Looks like we're right here. We found them very easily. There's quite a bit of people out here for it being like a rainy day. Ain't nobody's fazed by it. Everybody wants to enjoy their vacation. Hey everyone! Hey! Ow! Hit my head. Yay! Hey guys! Say hi to the vlog.
Hey!
That's Mama.
Here.
Mama's here, Jay's here, Sam's here. Let me take y'all's picture. Beach day! Beach day! It's raining. Everybody's huddled up under the tent. Josh. So Kumar's legs are spread. The towel. Alright, say hi to the vlog, Kumar. Hey Aiden.
Hello.
We put Kumar in his mermaid man outfit. Jay.
Hey, y'all kids, step away so we can get a picture of the mermaid by himself. Judah and Aiden, step away. Put some water on his head real quick. Hold on, let me get it. Put some water on his head.
Can you get up?
It's a human. It's a human. Give me some meat.
Oh no. Hey Kumar. Hey guys. Speaker, Sadie, say hello. Hey. Okay, so we're taking sister pictures. Hey guys. Say hi. That's Speaker. Y'all don't know her. Say hi to Speaker. Sammy. Coco. Then you guys know me. Theo, are you gonna take our picture? Hey Theo. So yeah, we got 2 drinks. You made that face right in the camera. LJ. 4th of July, everyone. We're here and it's Kumar's birthday too. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh look, here's Kumar. Kumar.
Might need a little hook over there, or we can pass through here, no?
Busy doing lights. Hey kids. We got a bounce house for the kids. Josh and Kumar are doing the lights. Beaker's observing.
I'm the party planner.
Party planner. Party. What happened to the music?
She went to go.
Mom, say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
He said happy 4th of December. There's Nelly. What's up, Nell? What's up? What's in here? Is the food already here? The food's not here yet, right?
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna see it later. We got some Indian food for Kuz's birthday. Chips in the snacks. It's going down. We got some gifts here and some party favors. And of course you guys saw the piñata. What are you guys doing? Let me see. Trinity, let me see what you're doing. You're trying to get that warm? Alright, try to get them. I'm recording you.
Okay.
Trinity's trying to save the worm. She's gonna carry him to the grass.
But I can't help him if he's trying to fly.
Cupcake. Cupcake. Look at Cupcake's patriotic bandana. Little tie-dye.
That's crazy that worm went so fast. It's going to swim itself.
Still stringing the line. Hey Juju. February 2013. Oh look, I think you got him. All right.
That's funny how it jumped.
Yeah. So we're trying to set up checkers, and she decides she wants to lay on the mat. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am? Cupcake. This is Kumar's birthday setup. Happy birthday, Kumar!
Happy birthday to me. Everybody's happy that I'm born.
All the fireworks, right?
Yep.
All the fireworks. They have their own personal little light. What are you lighting, Aiden?
So I just need to go a little bit further.
Oh, here, Jay. Yours didn't record. Say hey. Did I miss them all? Cool. Girl. Cool. All these are going on.
Those are Beyblade. It didn't go up. It's supposed to go up high.
Mom's watching fireworks. And Lucio's watching también. Okay. Got some fireworks. We're gonna open them, see what we got, and light a few. Let the kids light a few. ¿Está grabando? Dice record?
Yeah.
In red? We got color shop. I could probably show it better like this. You can just record slowly, showing what's in there. So we got some TNT Plumpastic, Mr. Crackle, Blazer, Sparkling Glory, Hay Fever, Fireflies, Flashing Fountain, Sunshine, and this looks like something. Resolution. It looks with the Lady Liberty on it. So, oh, Rowdy, and it has a monkey. So we're gonna try some of these. Some fireworks. I don't know. You want to try it?
You still want to record?
Yeah, you can stop. I'm gonna have Vocal record me over there.
Can I record y'all?
How do you stop it?
Here we go. Here's a good shot.
I said that you can like start one.
I can't.
Me los cuides, señora. Juju.
Yeah. Say hey. What are y'all doing over here? Y'all making snakes? Whoa, y'all have a bunch of snakes.
That kind of looks like a hand.
Oh, that was a giant one.
Yeah, you think that's giant? Watch what happens when I'm about to stack all 5 on the
Yeah, it's inside. Oh, my phone's over here.
No, I'm good.
Unless you forgot how you're turning. We're gonna sing on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kumar.
And America.
Happy birthday to you. ¿Con un plato?
Which one?
Make a wish.
Yay!
The insane one snake we made. Come here, look. What's
It's a double decker.
That's really insane.
Is there more of them?
Yeah, I have like that's
What are
weirdest. That's so insane.
Smoke bombs.
Oh.
Look, let's see what happens when I literally stack all of them together. A bunch of these snakes, and we're about to light them.
Okay.
Wait, not there. Oh, good.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Here. Oh. Make sure to light all of them.
The aftermath. This is where
it's still
the
warm.
snake village.
Mommy, come look at this. Look.
No.
Bday.
Wait, can we? Are you gonna go get the bag of candy? Because it's only gonna be a little bit.
Everybody out of the way.
Wait, Kumar goes first.
Wait, I can go first.
Wait, you think Kumar go first? Maybe it's his birthday.
All right, Kuz, first emotions right before you hit the piñata. What are you thinking?
I'm expecting candy in there.
You're expecting candy?
A lot of it.
We'll see.
Keep getting stuck with it. I'll just brush it open.
All right there. All right.
We need a blindfold.
Yeah. Menta, go get one of your panties. Blindfold Kumar.
And one shot, deal.
You gotta close your eyes, Kumar. ¿Quién tiene? Who has sunglasses? Yeah, here, Aiden. Here, you. Never mind, I got it. I was gonna spin it. Yeah, where's the shot? Get it ready. Get it, Nelly. Get the bottle. We'll just pour it in his mouth. Hey, you gotta close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes. No, start. No, wait, hold on. Tienen que comenzar de nuevo porque tienen los ojos abiertos. De nuevo. Close your eyes.
No. 1, 2, 3,
Nelly, are you ready?
4, 5,
Kumar, when you open your eyes closed. Kumar, eyes closed.
9. Stop talking to me. 10.
All right, Kumar, get the drink. All of it. Chug, 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 chug. Shot, shot, shot. Y otra vuelta nomás para divertirse. One more spin for fun. All right. Lucio con los... Lucio, Kumar behind you. All right. Ándale, Kumar. Let's go. Wow, Josh. Oh! Kumar, no, wait. Kumar, let's put it back up there.
Go get the candy.
Get the candy. What a cheap piñata. Made in Florida. The piñata was made in Florida. God damn it.
Brandon, here's your bag for you to put your stuff in there.
Get it back, get it. I know.
Here you go. Here, that one's for Sadie. Here you go, Trinity. There's your bag.
Here, Kumar. Put some on the table si no quieres. Ooh, yeah, candy. Candy, candy, candy.
It came with the necklace too.
Josh's feet is fancy.
Oh my god.
Thanks, Josh, then now. Josh is going to
He can hold on better than Aiden.